Volume is an important part of any video you create. Blasting music too loud will not just annoy your audience, it could anger them, while having the volume too low will create a frustrating experience. Fortunately, if you're using Adobe Premiere Pro, you have several ways to control the volume. Hello everyone, this is Noah from 9 to 5 Software. In this video, we're going to learn how to adjust volume in Premiere Pro. Link to the latest version of the app is available in the description. If you have other questions you need answers to, please tell us in the comments or visit 9to5software.com. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Understanding gain and volume. There are a few ways to approach audio when creating a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Adjust the audio coming into your video when you're importing clips and track into your timeline, or adjust the audio going out of what will become your completed video. Both are measured in decibels. The sound level going into your video is called gain. This includes any clips you import into the timeline. Volume refers to the sounds coming out of your video, which is what your audience will hear when you finish your project. Method 1. Expand the audio track by twirling the triangular arrow to the left of the track name. A yellow line appears in the clip. It should be set at 0 decibels, which is the standard starting point. Click and drag up or down with the selection tool to increase or decrease the volume of this individual clip. Method 2. Right-click an audio clip or set of audio clips and select audio gain. A dialog box will pop up where you can input the amount of gain, including negative gain, to increase or decrease audio. This is a great way to quickly adjust audio levels for multiple clips. Method 3. Use the audio mixer. Go to Window, Audio Mixer, and select the sequence you want to adjust. Now you can adjust the audio levels for entire tracks. This is very beneficial if you are organized and have separated audio, such as music on one track, interview on one track, and sound effects on another. Method 4. You could also send your recording to Adobe Audition with just a click. This provides video editors the benefit of Audition's rich audio toolset. This is a useful workflow for doing a comprehensive audio mix on your film or video projects. The first and most essential step is to ensure that the sequence containing the audio you wanna mix is active. You don't have to highlight anything. Just need to have that particular sequence timeline open and ready. Once your sequence is active and ready, go to Edit, Edit in Audition, Sequence. After you make this selection, a small window will open and give you a few new options. Type of work area. First up, we need to select the type of work area. In this drop-down menu, you can choose to work with the work area or entire sequence. For the most part, we'll be working with entire sequence. Audio handles. By adjusting this option, we are telling Premiere Pro to add a few seconds of extra audio when converting to Audition. This is especially helpful if you need a little extra space to work on crossfades. A general rule of thumb is to add 4 seconds. Export preview video. This tells Premiere Pro to render out all of the video that goes with the audio you're working on. This render is a flattened version of the video and should be easily viewable in Audition. Render audio clip. This option is here just in case you used any of the built-in audio feature in Premiere Pro. Generally, Premiere Pro audio effects won't transfer over, so make sure this option is checked. The additional options aren't really necessary for working on a film sound mix, so you can essentially ignore them. Just remember, if you're working with a professional sound engineer, then you'll wanna make sure none of the options on this panel are selected. That is all for this video everyone, big thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a comment and subscribing. See you next time.